Would you believe a military beast could transform into one of the most luxurious SUVs on the planet? Well, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G550 proves it's possible. With its iconic boxy design, unstoppable off-road chops, and a cabin dripping with high-tech luxury, this is not your average SUV. Stick around, because we're breaking down everything that makes the new G550 an absolute powerhouse. Timeless design, modern upgrades. The G-Class has always been a head-turner, and the 2025 G550 keeps that legendary boxy silhouette while adding subtle refinements. Mercedes tweaked the front bumper, grille, and even added a small roof spoiler, not just for looks, but to boost aerodynamics and stability. The result? A classic design that's now even more efficient. A high-tech, luxurious fortress. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams luxury. Premium leather, handcrafted details, and the latest MBUX infotainment system make every drive feel like first class. Plus, rear passengers get dual 11-inch displays for entertainment, and the 360-degree camera now lets you see under the vehicle, perfect for off-road adventures. Power and performance that dominates. Under the hood, the G550 now packs a 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-six, pumping out 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic and full-time AWD, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds, faster than before. And with triple differential locks and advanced off-road modes, this luxury beast can tackle mud, rocks, and sand like a champ. Why it stands out. It's rare to find a vehicle that blends luxury, heritage, and off-road capability so perfectly. The G550 isn't just a status symbol, it's a legend that keeps getting better. Whether you're cruising city streets or climbing mountains, this SUV does it all in style. So, what do you think? Would you take the 2025 G550 for a spin? Or do you prefer something more sleek and sporty? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.